How the heck do you use YouTube? You'd be amazed how many people ask us questions that are actually fairly simple to us and to people that are very familiar with YouTube. The interesting part is there's searches built right into each channel and YouTube itself. There's a lot of little things that you can do. We get a million questions like, hey, did you do a video on this? And I go, yeah. Didn't you see it? We did it like 4 days ago. But if you don't know where to look and you don't know how to look, you'd never know what the heck we've been doing.
It also could be more complicated because there's different navigation systems, whether you're on the cell phone, watching on your television, or on the computer.
Each one of them is different. And I don't really know why. They just make it much more complicated. We tend to watch YouTube on our television and on the computer. I don't really watch it on my phone. I think the screen's just too small. Although I do watch it on the iPad on occasion, but not that much. And they are different. They're all a little bit confusing to use if you're not used to it, and they all have limitations. But we're going to do a little different part of the video here where I'm just going to narrate and show you on the computer various ways that you can search our channel, YouTube itself, how to use terms, things like that, and we'll be back.
So let's say you happen across one of our videos on YouTube. And what do? At this point, you're watching the video and everything looks good, right? So what if you want to see more of our videos? Well, the first thing you can do is hit subscribe, which I'm already a subscribed, so I don't want to unsubscribe, so I'm going to hit cancel. Then next to that, you can hit this little bell icon. And if you hit all, it means that you will get all notifications for things that we do. Personalized means personalized to your interests. Now, since most of our videos are actually the same interest, I don't know how much difference there'll be, but I suggest doing all just in case, because I don't need to be notified about all of my own stuff. So I'm also going to pause this video because it's very distracting to watch this while I'm trying to do this. What a great screenshot that makes, huh? Anyway. So as we're looking at this screen, you see a few more things. First, you see all my videolytics over here, which just ignore all that. Down the side, you will see some suggested videos. And these are all videos that are suggested to go along with the video you're watching, according to your likes and what you watch. Obviously, I watch a lot of brewing videos made by us. Anyway, so that's the basics of all that. Then on to what can you do from here if you don't want to watch anything that's down the side, but you want to learn more about us? Well, this is something that a lot of people don't seem to even know. And that's if you come over here and click on the name or on the icon, either of these things in this area, it brings you to the actual channel page, which is like, it's a channel's home page is the easiest way to say that. And everybody can set these up just a little bit differently. What you'll see across the top is our website and our Patreon and our merch store and our Amazon store. You'll see if you're subscribed or not. You'll also see different things across here for different channels. Some people set it up a little bit differently. We have ours set up to show our most recent uploads first. So you'll see all the more recent stuff right in here. Then we have our popular uploads. These are the ones that have the most views, right? So some of those are a little bit older. And then we have all of our playlists. Now, there's a lot of playlists. So if you've never watched any of our playlists, I highly suggest going in there. We have made playlists for all the different kinds of meads, for many, many things. Once you're on this page, some things that you can do. You can click a video, and it'll start up that video. And again, it'll show down the side other videos just like that. You have your comments section is right here. Some other things while we're on this page, as you're looking at a video, you'll see right here, bottling Asserglen mead, maple mead. Today we bottle the maple mead or Asserglen. This is the description. If you hit show more, we have the link to the original making of this, part 2 video, and then all of our links are in here. Links to our t-shirts, links to various items that we use in the making of it. These are all Amazon affiliate links for the most part, or our own store, and they do help out the channel a little bit if you decide to go that route. Down below that, we have sign up for our mailing list, a one-time donation, our store, cooking channel, become a patron, check out our website, things like that. All these important links are all in the description of every single video. Okay, a lot of people are asking us, how do we find this? How do we find that? Well, they're right there. That's exactly how you do it. No big deal. But let's go back to our channel page for a moment too. All right, let me close this because that's analytics stuff that you just don't need to know about. All right. So once you're here and you're seeing all the different uploads and everything that you can do with the videos, there's some things across the top here that are pretty important. On our home page, you're seeing things the way I set them up to be organized. If you click to videos, and this is true of every YouTube channel, if you click the videos, it'll show you in order from newest to oldest. Newest would be up here, oldest will be at the bottom. All the videos that they've put out recently. It tells you how many views, how many days ago or weeks ago or how long ago they put them out. You can sort them. You can sort them by most popular, by the date added, by the, that kind of thing. It defaults to newest, okay? Playlists, it also lists out all of your playlists. And we have a lot of them. Then you have the community channel. I've started using this just recently. I put up links to videos that maybe you didn't see. We try to post them a couple times so that people get notified about it. Also, I ask little questions here and there, let people know what's going on, give some news, that sort of thing. It has become more or less a social area. I mean, where people can comment on things and ask questions and whatnot. I prefer you ask them right on the video that you're talking about, but hey, you know what? If you asked a question here, I'm certainly going to still answer you. Channels section. This is where we can link to our other channels or channels that we recommend. In our case, obviously, it's going to be CS Cooks and Grows. Pretty simple stuff, and you can go there and you can subscribe. I didn't subscribe to my own channel. That's how sad. Then we have the About tab. Now on here, we just describe what we do, and we have, when it was started, when we joined, blah, 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 our website, merch store, some other links. No big deal. That is the basic gist of how to use YouTube. It's really, really simple. But we get asked all the time, like say somebody's on this video and they'll say, oh, where's the rest of the videos? Well, if you check below in the description, there they are. Now, you know what? We're not perfect. And every once in a while, something has been missed. And we do try to put them all in there. But there's one way you can find it, and I'll get to that in just a moment. Something else that's really important, okay, is right here. I want you to like our videos. If you like our videos, that shows interaction. YouTube gives us a little boost in the search rankings, and it's a nice thing. If you want to share our videos, I'm all for it. You can just click the share button, and you have embed, which lets you embed it into a website, a little bit more complicated. Facebook, Twitter, see that? It'll go right to Facebook, and you can post to Facebook. Twitter, Blogger, Reddit, the list goes on and on. You can even just copy the link and email that to yourself or paste it somewhere, and it all works. It shows our videos all over the place. That's what we want you guys to do. You can also save a video. You can save it to your own watch list to watch later, okay? So that way, let's say you just don't have time to watch it right now, but you don't want to lose it, you can always save it for later and come back to it. One more way to find things, and this works across our channel and across YouTube. A lot of people seem to think you put stuff up here and you search for, how to make mead, right? Oh, look at that. We're number 3 and 4 and 7 and 10 or something. Anyway, that's one way to search, certainly. That searches all of YouTube. But let's say you were just watching our Acerglyn video, right? And you want to find the rest of the Acerglyn videos, but it wasn't in the description. See this little search bar right here, the little magnifying glass? If you click that, you're searching our channel now. And boom, it shows all the things that would be relevant to that search. Obviously, if Acerglyn isn't in the name, it's still going to show it, but it's showing less importance. So you can see there's 3 Acerglyns right there. If we search for, say, mead, there we go. All of our mead videos start showing up. So that's another way that you can use search. Like, people ask all the time, oh, don't you make any ciders? Let's search for cider. Boom, here's all of our cider videos. And then it does get into other things too, but that's how search works. And it's Google, people. They're going to suggest something even if there's nothing there. But this way you get an idea of what to look for and where to find everything. If you guys have any questions about this specific type of thing, ask me in the comments below. More than happy to help and give you more ideas on how you can use search and how you can use YouTube even better.
So there you have it. That's how you use YouTube.
Hopefully we've cleared it up for you a little bit, and now you can find that information you're looking for just a little easier.
As always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.